From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at WTI and nat gas, and you can see WTI Crude Oil has broken down below the shooting star from the previous session. That's a bearish sign. That's a typical bearish sign. Another thing that has got me kind of wondering about this 7150 level, it must just basically be the wall of death because we've tried it 5 times now and just can't get above there, which tells me that if we do break 7150, this market is going to scream to the upside. There's probably a huge air bubble up there. So at this point, I think that the uptrend's still intact. We're going to have to pay attention to institutional order flow, which unfortunately this charting won't show it, but there's a lot at 68.5 and 68. So I do think the buyers are coming soon. I'd wait for some type of stabilization, supportive candle, something like that. Maybe at least on the hourly chart to start picking away at a buying position. Over here in nat gas, we have formed a double shooting star, maybe a tweezers pattern, if it's not really a tweezers pattern because one's so much higher than the other, but either way, it's 2 shooting stars and it's a negative sign. So I suspect we're going to go looking for support at one of these areas in these next 5-cent increments. We are in a large consolidation area. I think we're going to pull back to this area. And then as we get to that point, we're trading the October contract in the futures market right now. And the next contract will be for winter. So I think you would be reasonable to expect the seasonality to come back into the marketplace and push this back up. So I do think a short-term pullback and then a turnaround and signs of stability, a longer-term buying opportunity. And when I say longer-term, in this market, it's a couple weeks as we go back and forth, should present itself. So be very patient. I don't know that I would short here. If you're a short-term trader, maybe. But certainly you got to pay attention to 280 and 275 on the way down.